You could trigger any automated campaign from a landing page so people signing up from that landing page are added to that particular automated series of emails. When building your landing page, click on the sign up form, then click Submission and add a tag. For example, we'll say mini course. Now, in campaigns in Aweber, when you start a brand new campaign, we'll have this one, this will be the mini course campaign that we're setting people up on. We'll click the subscribe trigger so that it's triggered by a tag being applied. That tag being mini course. And that's how that landing page and this particular automated campaign will be connected. Anybody signing up on that sign up form on the landing page is going to be automatically added to this course.